So today we're going to be working on creating charts in Excel for the Excel 365 Associate exam. So the first thing we're going to do is create a clustered column chart. To do this, we're going to select the product line data and the sales data from quarter one. And on the ribbon, hit Insert, and we're going to go into the Charts menu, click on the bar charts, 2D column, and first one is the clustered column chart. This is what we're going to get from that. We'll move it to the side so you can see the table too. The next thing we're going to do is filter the chart so we can see what kind of data we want to display. To do that, go to the right of the chart to the Chart Filters button, click on it, and under Categories, we're going to hit the Select All button to deselect everything. And we're going to show the electronic accessories and sports and travel data. Hit Apply, and that'll change what's displayed on our chart. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to change the chart layout. So under the Chart Design tab, still clicked into our chart, we're going to go to the top left of the menu and hit Quick Layout. We're going to pick Layout 9. And this changes the way that the bars are lined up, but it keeps our chart title, adds an access title, and we still have our legend on the side for each of the months.